Hello there, welcome to our channel. Login once again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to archive your chats on Telegram app. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to archive your chats on Telegram app, let's open up our Telegram app first. And after that, if you want to archive a chat on Telegram, you can simply tap and hold the chat which you want to archive, and after that you can see the three dotted icon appear on the top right corner of your screen. Tap over there, and after that you can see the archive option available at the top, and tap on archive, and after that you can see archive chats will be listed over here. And the second method to archive a chat on Telegram is simply drag the chat box of the person's chat which you want to archive, and you can see I'm dragging it to the left side and it is being archived, and again you can see they are being archived, and on the archive you can see all the chats over here. And there guys, this is how you archive your chats on Telegram app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.